start with the color Movie, which is this one here, using the Luxie 250. Okay, and I'm going to be going back and forth with that color until I get that desired color that I'm looking for. Now I'm going to be moving on into the color Kerbal, and it's this one right here. It's kind of like a burgundy-ish color. Feel like I'm floating through. So far, this color, it does take a little longer to blend. I mean, it's not as pigmented as I thought it would be, so I do have to be going back and forth and applying the color until I get this desired color that I want right here. So now I'm gonna be cutting my crease using my mermaid brush, and also using the CoverGirl and Buff. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life. I'm gonna go ahead and go back with the Moda Pro Brush. Innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it. I'm going to be grabbing the Morphe brush, and it's this one right here. And I'm gonna be grabbing the color Movie again, just to reapply that first shadow. Okay, so now I'm going to be mixing Kernel, and I'm going to be mixing it with this blue one, Lights Down. So for the blue shadow, I'm just going to be grabbing this e.l.f. brush. It's just a shadow e.l.f. brush here. I'm going to be using the Shadow Theater. This shadow, I really don't like it. I mean, when you apply it, it seems very, very pigmented, but it fades away. You know, I was planning just to keep this color. I had to add some other blue shadows on top of it. Like right now it looks good, but little by little it's gonna start fading out. This brush, and it's the Scone Large Shadow Brush. And I'm gonna be using this shimmer blue color, and it's called Snack. I'm gonna be applying that on top of that blue. Okay, so this one, it's a little more it's better, it's more pigmented. Now on top of this one, I'm gonna be using Poppin', and it's this one. So this one has like more of those glitter specks. I don't know, I mean, I put my brush, the only thing about this one is that it kind of scatters everywhere. And you guys could see how pretty that color is. That's such a pretty color. Even though, like I said, it does tend to fall. I don't know if you guys could see, like, you just dip your brush a little bit and it does crumble up. That's the only thing I don't like about that shadow. I'm gonna be going back with Kernel. For the brow bone, I'm gonna be using this Ardell eyebrow setting, and I'm gonna be using the highlighter one that they have here with my Sonia Kashuk brush, and I'm just gonna be putting that on my brow bone. This is very, very pretty. Grabbing the Sonia Kashuk blending brush. Over the edge. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start applying the liquid liner. First, I'm gonna be using the Ico London. I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick. And then I like going over it with my Wet n Wild Mega Liner. the Stila Glitter and Glow Highlighter in the color Queen, and it's this one. It's a very pinky. Oh, it's very pretty. And this is the one I'm going to be using in my inner corner. I'll be spraying some Mario Badowski. And then I'm going to be using my NYX, grabbing these two here. I'm here and I'm feeling. So with my beauty sponge, I'm just going to wet it a little bit. Must conclude. My foundation, and it's the All Nighter 4.0 with the $1 billion brush. The life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Tarte blush in Feisty. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. I'm gonna be using the Miss Glam brush. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Cognac lip liner from Sormay. Put it right here. The Ciate London and Famous. So it's pretty color, and it does have some shimmer. Okay guys, so let's talk about the palette. So let me swatch. You know, there's a difference between swatching and then actually being able to put these on your lid and then actually seeing if they are pigmented, if they're blendable, you know, if they're good shadows. I really had high hopes for it. I don't know, overall I didn't really like this palette. I mean, it did okay at the end. No, I haven't tried the whole palette. There's eyeshadows that I didn't touch and I haven't tried. I'm gonna keep playing around with this palette just to see if I like the other shadows that I did not use today. Maybe if I like those shadows, then I'll, you know, be using the other shadows. So that is really my sincere opinion, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing.